Nigerian soldiers don't render anti-Boko Haram song. Hey. If una hear this song, if una hear this song, like when I face here, it dey do my heart totori. Inside this song, they sing. Now so they come they say for the song, make I give una small lyrics. They say Boko Haram are be Fulani people. They say may they stop to they use Alawa Kuba, they keep people because now wait till they do. I tell you now before, if they want keep it, say Alawa Kuba, John. Alawa Kuba. Now so they keep. So now they don't do song for them. All the soldiers, Nigerian soldiers, they say may they stop they use that thing they keep people. When I hear this song, I won't cry. But I go hold my tears, you understand? So I bring a call aside. For now, we don't know how these people voice be and they cute well. I bet Jamie make we watch the video.
Allah they keep people. Allah is great, you know they keep person. Boko Haram they keep people. Allah is great, you know they keep person. You know they use Allah they keep people. Allah is great, you know they keep person. Boko Haram they keep people. Allah is great, you know they keep person.
See people husband we go so I bet make I not talk say they go so die. But see people husband. We all know now, we all know. As even as they did that bush where you see there now, terrorists they go fight too. This is touching. This is touching. If I did see things like this, I don't just know, but if they do me make I just turn magician, can't change it. I just they pray, say God go protect them. I pray, say God go protect them. May as they complete like that, as they go, may they complete, come back. Now my prayer be that. And I hope say Nigeria government go support them. Because tomorrow now we go, yes, they've locked them up in one room because they were singing. You know they hard now. I just hope say we go use on a church mind at least. Support these people, protect these people, very, very important. They know they lie. This song gonna just here. No be lie, my people. We all know the truth. Una they kill in the name of Alawa Kuba, una they kill people. Now why I ask una before? All these things una they do, una they should say una so-called God. Is they okay with this kind of thing? Because my people, I never see where they say God doesn't make they kill this one, make they do this one. As a hobby, as your job, like you just Now God go help us, my people. Everybody with your own belief, everybody with your own this thing. So I don't know. Now question I ask, now they should say their God they okay with this thing. Because they don't tell them many things, they don't tell them many lies, they don't, and them too they do. But it is where. Now the only thing we feel continue to the talk, say it is where. See the real men inside bush, they fight terrorists. Real men. Go check our mopo, police people. No, go check them now. They inside town. They harass citizens. But now all of them are supposed to fight this battle. Soldiers. Soldiers. And now why this kind of thing they pay me when you see say they don't even they treat them well. Salary. Treatment. No car. Some of them say they even get car. I never see. Now only for this country we they see. Do you think Nigeria never show us that thing no exists? Waiting Nigeria government never show us. Forget that. That thing no exists. No find them anywhere. I just wish these people now if you just turn back. Because if only they know the thing where they wait for them, they for don't change things. To me, this thing a waste. It is a waste, my people. Young men now, where they're about to waste their lives all in the name of this God-forsaken country. We just turn to another thing now. Now their lives they go waste. Before you know, now we go yes say 12 people have died. They went for this every day. Which kind of weapons now they give them? They don't even get weapons. Which kind of training? They don't even get training. Some of them say no sabi run. But now they send them to go attack terrorists. No be wickedness be that. Nigeria. Nigeria. It is well, sha. My prayers are with you people. As soon as they go, make una go where, make una come back where. You understand? From this side, we say God will be with una. Now the only thing we fit do, my people, I'm not fit carry myself enter that bush. You understand? So highest now to pray for them. And I beg make una join too. Send them una prayers because they need them. These ones they need them. I just hope say they come back safely, sha. Now the matter be this, and this song when they sing now, they just send the message right to the Boko Haram people and their leader. Say may they stop the key in the name of Allah Wakuba. So wait till nothing concerning this matter. See drop out for that comment section, and don't forget to share this interesting video because everybody needs to know say they don't compose. If our soldiers don't turn to musicians, join multitasking people. I beg. And if you never subscribe, just click on that notification bell too, so that you don't go miss any interesting biggie when we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.